Hey everyone! Have you been obsessing over Rumi's iconic K-pop demon hunter look? Felt like it was too complicated to try? I'm here to prove it's totally doable. We'll break down her bold purple eyeliner and fierce demon accents. Step-by-step Rumi's style is dramatic purple eyeliner, shimmery lids, and cool demon markings. 2. The perfect mix of K-pop idol and supernatural warrior. You'll be shocked how easy it is. We'll use a vibrant purple liquid liner and a high-impact shimmer. Let's get into it! First things first, the base. For that flawless animated look, I'm starting with foundation. It's just a little lighter than my natural skin tone. Once blended, I'm popping concealer. Or under my eyes to brighten everything up. We want to erase dark circles for the purple liner. Next is light contouring. Using a cool-toned powder, I'm sculpting under my cheekbones. And along the jawline, Rumi's look is sharp, but we don't want to go overboard. Just enough to add that perfect definition. Alright, now for the main event. The eyes. This is the absolute centerpiece. I'll sweep a light, cool-toned powder across my lids. Then we're going right in with the hero, that bold purple eyeliner. I'm using the Made by Mitchell Maker Mark liquid eyeliner in this insane purple shade. The key is to create a dramatic sharp wing that extends toward your brow. Don't be shy, make it thick and noticeable. This is what makes the look iconic. Just take your time and get that smooth, confident line. Once that killer wing is on, it's time to bring on the K-pop shimmer. I'm grabbing the Urban Decay 24/7 Glaze On. Liquid eyeshadow in the shade Moon Dust, it's perfect. I'm dabbing this shimmery shadow, on the inner part of my eyelid and in the center, just above the liner. This will catch the light and give your eyes that dazzling, multi-dimensional effect. I'll add a pop to the lower lash line for extra sparkle. To add more drama, I'm taking a heavy black or grey liner on my waterline and smoking it out. A few coats of volumizing mascara will finish off the eyes a bit. Plenty of volume, no falsies needed. Next, let's tackle the brows and accents. For your brows, create a sharp, angular shape. Fill them in like normal. Then pinch the ends and draw them to a fine point for that distinct character look. And now for the fun part, the demon accents. These are the little details that take this from just makeup to a full-on cosplay. Using that same purple liner, draw small, sharp triangular points around your eyes to mimic Rumi's patterns. You can look up reference photos for placement, usually near the temple and under the eye. Finally, let's pull the whole look together with lips and blush. Rumi's blush is subtle, so we're adding a light touch of a wintry pink shade. You want the eyes to keep all the attention. For the lips, I'm using a neutral liquid lipstick, and then topping it with a clear or slightly purplish gloss for a little shine. Give your face a light dusting of powder to set everything in place, and you're done. And here it is, the complete K-pop demon hunter Rumi look. With that dramatic purple liner, sparkling accents, and fierce demon marks, you are ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you create your own Rumi cosplay. If you try this look, I'd love to see it, so please tag me in your photos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cosplay tutorials, and let me know in the comments which character you want to see me do next.